Now in this video we will discuss about arrival time and departure time when our traveling time is given. Here you can see the questions above me. Here it said that the journey from Dhaka to Bogura takes 5 hours and 40 minutes. Based on this information, two questions are made here. If you started from Dhaka at 10:30 am, when will you arrive at Bogura? Departure time given, you need to find the arrival time. And the second question is, if you reached Bogura at 8 pm, when did you start? Here the arrival time given, you need to find the departure time. When you are given the departure time and the traveling time, to find the arrival time, you need to add them. You add the traveling time with the departure time. So 35 and 40, what we get after adding them? After adding them, we get 75, and 10 plus 5 we get 15. So arrival time is 15 hours 75 minutes. Is it possible? No, we don't use 15 hours 75 minutes. We don't use the calculation of minute after 60, because after 60 it becomes 1 hour. 59 minutes we use it, but when we call 60 minutes, that means 1 hour. So we will reduce a 60 from here. If we subtract 60 from 75, we get 15, and we have a 1 hour in our hand, and this 1 hour will be added to this, so this will become 16. So the arrival time would be 16 hour 15 minute, or we can say that arrival time is 16:15 in 24-hour format, and in 12-hour format we can subtract 12 from this, 4:15 pm. Again I am repeating the addition. 35 plus 40, it means 75. That means 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we will write the 15 minutes here, and the 1 hour we will add with this. 10 plus 5, 15, plus 1, 16. This is the case. This way we can calculate the arrival time. Now how do we find the departure time when arrival time is given? When we are given arrival time and traveling time, to get the departure time, we will subtract the traveling time from the arrival time, and we will find the departure time. In case of this addition and subtraction, you must already know that in each case of time we use 24-hour format. So 8 pm, it means 20:00. So instead of 8 pm we will write 20:00. Now we will subtract 5:40 from 20:00. While subtracting, we can see that 00 is less than 40. So how can we subtract it? So we will borrow 1 hour from here. So this 20 will become 19, and the borrowed minute we write here. Instead of 20:00 we will write 1960. Why? Because we borrowed 1 hour from 20 hour, it reduced by 1, it became 19 hour, and we wrote that 1 hour in minute position. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 minus 40, it becomes 20. 19 minus 5, it becomes 14. So the departure time was 14:20, or in 12-hour format we can write it, subtracting 12 hour we can write it 2:20 pm. This is 24-hour format, and this is 12-hour format.